tour of 1618. It's at California. This is a double queen room. As you come in, you've got your toilet, your bathroom area, big countertop, nice big mirror. You've got soap and lotion, and then you've got a full-size shower, which is nice. As you come out, you've got your closet area. Sorry if it's a bit dark, there's no lights this bit. It's got your ironing board and everything there. And then as you come through, you've got your 2 queen beds. We did actually book a king, but they said they'd run out, so we had to have a queen room, so it's fine, we're only here for one night. You've got your nice big telly, and then in here you've got a safe and your own personal fridge, which is good. You've got a chair and desk, mirror on the wall, 2 little chairs to sit at, and then a full length mirror there. And then our view is of Main Street. You can open these blind things. The windows are dirty, but you should be able to see. So it's a nice view of Main Street Station. So that's a room tour of a California 2 queen room. Thanks for watching, guys. Hi guys, just a little update for the room tour. If you do get this room, mind your head, because I've smacked my head on it already. As you can see, if you stand up, this bar is 4 head high. I'm 6 foot, so when you try and step out, you smack your head. So I just wanted to give you a little update. Thanks, guys.